Guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Karnim, and I'm back with a brand new video. And I just want to say I miss you all, and I know that I haven't posted any videos on my YouTube for about 4 weeks, and the reason why I haven't released any video is because I had a shitty MacBook Air for 2020, and I had it for 5 years, that computer, and it was very difficult for me to make more videos and do all the feature stuff on it. So I'm back, and I want to talk about something we're going to do today. So today we're going to talk about a topic about unboxing and setting up the MacBook Pro N4 2025. Oh, I think it's 2024, I'm not sure. But I just got it right now as we speak, and I want to show you guys what I got. So what we got here today is we got a stickers so I can decorate it in my computer. And then I got a keyboard for letters for Hebrew and English. So that's pretty cool. And then I got a USB-C charger because I always lose a charger all the time. And then I got a hard case for MacBook. And it's this is perfect for my computer so I can protect my computer. And then what I got right here is this is really cool. So what I got, my mom actually got me this. So thank you, Mom, for everything you do for me. Thank you so much, God, for everything. And I just want to say I got this awesome thing. And what is this, you're asking? This is to clean the if you want to clean your window of your MacBook. So that's what I got. And then this heavy stuff I got right here is the new MacBook Pro N4. It's the most powerful computer in the universe as we speak, and it's very popular right now. And I'm going to open it and I'm going to unbox it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure to hit that and let's go. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna open that box. I'm so excited. I hope this is going to be better than my old computer I used to have. So I'm going to unbox it. Sorry guys, I suck in unboxing. Just want to show you the details, what it looks like. Give me a second. Oh wow. So it says right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Give me a second. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So on the details, it says the 14-inch. I'm sorry. Wait, give me 1 second. It says right here, the N4 chip, 16 gigabyte memories, 512 gigabyte storage, and it's called 14 inches MacBook Pro. That's pretty neat. I'm not gonna lie. Now, back unboxing. I am so impressed by what it looks like inside. Is it gray or black? Oh, it is gray. So guys, I just got the new MacBook computer, and it's basically a gray. I was very impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I expected to be very black. I thought it's gonna be the space one, but I'm grateful. I'm very grateful for that. Thank you. So I'm gonna open the computer, and oh my gosh, it just opens by themselves. It's crazy. I don't even know how to open this part. Wait, this is the tricky part. Oh, that looks so sick. This computer, it says, "Hello, Mike." Alright, this is so sick. I'm not gonna lie, this is awesome. Now, look at this. This is super awesome. Just to show you guys, it's a gray. It's white, and it has this speaker, and it has that. And this is something new today. This is the power. This is like, wow, this is right here. It's like, that's sick. I never saw that on my computer. You never have that. It's pretty awesome, to be honest. And then let's just set up the whole computer stuff. I want to show you how it looks like when you just open it. Go like that. English is important. Why doesn't let me put English? Just put English. United States. Blah blah. Now, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. Okay, so basically, I just put the Wi-Fi on. It says right here, your Mac isn't connected to the internet. Try again. Okay, let me just put the password on so you guys can not see that. So, oh shit, I don't need to put the password for my Wi-Fi. That's pretty awesome. Thank you, Apple. Okay, Mac, timer. Should I do it? Let's do it anyways. Okay, information to this Mac. You know what? I'm gonna just put not now. Let me put my email. Give me a second. So, this is so personal, so give me 1 second. Okay, just finished putting the code. Guys, I'm back. So I just finished setting up my computer. Now I just have to put a password, because like we speak, it's telling me to put the password and stuff like that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have to put my password and stuff like that. And I'm excited. So I just want to say, guys, I really hope you guys like this video, and it's very important for me that my video can grow. And love you all. You know, you're amazing people. And I just want to say that I'm excited. And I'm very excited how's it going to look like. Let's go. Come on. Just put it on, man. Come on. This thing takes forever. Okay, set up account. Blah, come on. Yeah, take a second. This always takes forever to to wait. Like, you know, to wait. Like, you first got it, you have to wait so long. Like, come on. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Now I can actually and edit my videos and actually fix my videos and put features on it, and like I can make more videos now. So this is freaking awesome. I'm not gonna lie. Thank you so much, mother and father. Thank you so much. Okay, what else is telling me? It's telling me this your new Mac. Okay, I want Siri on. For sure I want Siri. Nah, I don't want Siri. Okay. Yes, I want it. I'm gonna put my Face ID. Like, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's so cool. Boom, shakalaka, woo. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, Face ID. That would be cool. They have that. See you new. Not now. I don't want this anyway. I'm gonna edit later. Welcome to Mac. This is so cool. Guys, can you see that? Like, that's my computer. That's my baby right here. It says welcome, and now I put continue, and now I'm computer. I can use it. So, what else am I gonna do? I'm gonna put on it. I'm gonna put some stickers. Okay, I'm gonna put some stickers. So I'll be right back. Let me just put the box and everything away. Give me 1 second. Okay, back, guys. Okay, that we got this awesome thing. So they give us this, and what else Apple give us? Some papers. I remember back then they used to give you like stuff like that, but now they don't want to give us stickers. And then they give you like a 60. I think it's like a 66-inch. So that's like pretty neat. It's pretty awesome. Look how long this charger is. That's sick. It's a long charger. 66 inches is pretty neat. And it doesn't come with a USB-C. It's actually a power. I don't even know the name of it, but that's sick. We used to have this back in my days. It's pretty neat. And then they give us like a huge box of a USB, like charger box. That's freaking awesome, to be honest, Apple. I'm impressed about you. I'm really impressed. Okay, what else should I put? Let me see. I want to test the light. Let me just test the light. How the light looks like. You want to see how the lights are? Wait, let's just turn it off. Oh wow, that is bright. That's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Speaker, high. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna do right now is the stickers. You know what? I want to open case. The case is very important. Let me see if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, put it on. I need a scissor. Come on. This is bullshit. Wait. Okay. So I believe this goes on this computer. So I want to show you guys how it looks like, how I do it. I believe it goes on here. I'm not sure. Is how you do it? Oh wow. Let me just close that. Okay. Pretty cool. Oh man, this is the worst part. I can't even open this part. This has to be a scissor somewhere. Wait a minute. Why can't Apple give us a scissor? I can't even open this, guys. This is freaking ridiculous. Wait a minute. Maybe there's like a freaking... No, it's not. Oh, I got it. That took me a long time just to open that. Alright. I believe it goes like here. I'm not sure. Oh, wow. I'm very impressed about my case. Like, you should definitely get this case. Like, look at this. Now it looks like now it looks like Apple space thing. Like, it looks like space now. That's freaking awesome. I'm not gonna complain now. It's freaking awesome. I love it. Thank you. And now I gotta clean my window. Cleaning my window is the most important. So I'm gonna just turn off the lights because it's heard that can get dealt for a second. Right. Let's clean this. How does it get clean? Actually, it goes like this, right? Oh, I'm so sorry for you guys who can see that. Give me 1 second. I suck in recording, so let me go like this. Okay, that's clean. Now, some stickers. I love stickers. All right, let's see what we got here. Guys, you won't believe how much just came out. So let me show you. I got this. Look at all these awesome stickers. I love Marvels. Marvels are pretty awesome. I'm definitely gonna use that. I'm smart. What else they got? They have bunch of. Wow, they have. This is actually my favorite. The Rolling Stones are the best. Pokemon, not that much. Yes, I'm definitely gonna put that in my computer. And nah, I don't like none of this. Pokemon, come on, I can never say no to Pokemon. Let's see what I got. Peter Griffin, hell yeah, I'm gonna put Peter Griffin. Freaking love Peter Griffin. And I like Scream. Scream is good. What else we can put on? There's just so much stickers that I don't even know I want to put inside, to be honest. Right. We got Oreo. I love Oreo. Oreo, freaking it. We got the robot. You got the robot guy. You got Mickey. There's so much stickers, guys. Look at this. Stickers. But whatever. I'm going to worry about that later. And I'm just going to put whatever stickers I want to put inside it. I'm going to put that away. Because there's so much of them. I swear to God, there's so much of them. Let me just put this away. Oh my God, there's so much. Give me 1 second, guys. Dang. Okay. That, I want to show you guys what's inside this bag. So in this bag, it's actually a translate for me. So English is not my first. Hebrew is my first. So I want to show you what I got inside it. I'm going to put it inside my computer. And it's going to be Hebrew and English at the same time. So just want to show you how it looks like. So this is what it looks, guys. It's in Hebrew. That's sick, right? And I'm gonna put this on. I hope I don't freaking mess it up, because it took me a while just to get that. Okay, let me fix that. And then let's just put this on, I guess. Wait, there's no stickers on it. Wait, what I just did? I did something stupid right now. There has to be a stickers. How does this work? Honestly, I don't even know how it works. It doesn't tell you how to set it up. That's like the most stupid thing ever. Wait, let me just turn off my computer. You know what? Just turn it off. Let me just put shutdown, turn off, so I don't mess up anything. Okay, fix it, guys. I think I fixed it. So I just fixed it, guys, and now it's pretty neat now. Let me see if I can do it now. Okay. This is so cool, guys. That's really cool. That's crazy. I didn't actually put my password, if you guys are wondering. I did not show you guys my password. So don't worry about that. You don't need to see that. Give me some privacy. Okay, it actually works, and I just fixed it. So I'm so happy for that, to be honest. I'm really happy. And hope you guys like this video. And thank you so much for watching my video. And if you guys enjoyed it, if you like it, make sure to subscribe me, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next week. Adios.